Now we're moving one step further in our Python networking series, sending files over a socket connection. On the server side, we create a socket, bind it to localhost on port 9999, and listen for incoming connections. Once a client connects, the server waits to receive data. Whatever data it receives, it writes to a file named receive.txt. On the client side, we also create a socket and connect to the same host and port. Then we open a file called send.txt, read its binary data, and send it directly to the server. After sending, the client closes the connection. We will try to send this file, which is located in the project directory, from the client to the server. First, start the server, python-server.py. It waits for a connection. Then run the client, python-client.py. The client sends the contents of send.txt, and the server writes them to receive.txt. This simple program demonstrates the basic concept of file transfer over TCP. In the upcoming videos, we'll look at how to send larger files, handle multiple chunks of data, and make the transfer more reliable.